So how do you open a PDF in the Pages app on the iPad? Let's begin. But before we do, most definitely subscribe to Foxtecc so you will not miss tutorials like this one. Essentially, on your iPad, you probably went to the Files application where you can locate your PDF and you can try to share it or export it in a different app, but it doesn't really let you do it to the Pages application. But instead, you have to go to the Pages directly, start a brand new document like this, and then tap on the little plus icon in the middle of the screen at the top. So when you click on the plus, you can import and add some different things, right? So you can see it all can be added, but you can see that we have the Insert From button. And when you click on this, your Files app is going to appear within the Pages app, and we can add multiple different things, and it of course includes the PDFs as well. So we can click on it like this, and you can see that we now have the PDF ready as like this resizable type of thing inside of our Pages app and whatnot, and you can see that we have it right here. So this works out fine. However, what you are probably referring to, or what I assume your goal is that you want to edit the text right here, right? And now we just brought the PDF over, but we don't have the ability to edit the text or write on it. However, there is one way on how we can do this, but it is requiring you to not use the Apple Pages, but the Microsoft Word official app. So you need to come back to the Files app where your PDF is, and you can hold down on that actual PDF like this, and you can just click on Open With. This will let you select a different app to open it in, and we're going to select the Microsoft Word, which, by the way, has to be installed on your iPad, but we go to the Microsoft Word like this, and we tap on the little pencil at the top, which is going to convert the PDF into a Word document. And this will then let you actually delete the text and add something to it and whatnot. But yeah, it doesn't really work in the Pages. So let me know in the comments if we managed to do what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll catch you later in the future tutorials.